Part 1, Secondary School Chem Lab Horror Story. Around the late 90s, I was a student at Ahmad Ibrahim Secondary School and one of my seniors related this encounter. She was not really scared of them, but some were chilling. The A-levels chemistry practical exams were going to start on a cloudy morning. All students had to get ready for their practical sessions early. Jenny went up to the 5th floor laboratory to prepare the equipment, test tubes and racks. Because it was largely unlit and very dark, she flicked on some of the lights in the laboratory and busied herself cleaning some test tubes. Then one bulb flickered several times. Did she hear soft footsteps or clinking? "Morning, Devi." "Hey," she called out. It could be either the nice Indian woman or Mr. Desai. Only they came to the school laboratory this early. No one responded to her greeting. Ah, this is strange. Jenny surveyed her neutralized hydrochloric and nitric acid apparatuses. Maybe she had been imagining things and this was an old building after all. It should be normal for the electricity supply to be inconsistent. Somewhere behind her, a tiny voice cried out in Hokkien, "Please help me." This child had a green pallor, as if she was suffering from some epidemic. The shift she wore was dirty with bloodstains, and the space below her waist was misty. At first Jenny did not panic. Such supernatural sightings were very normal with a third eye. Her uncle, a bomo or medium, did some blessings and incense over their houses and herself. Jenny remembered wearing many kinds of yellow paper talismans, crosses and various religious amulets for protection. If she happened to sight any ghost, she closed her eyes and prayed. Also, she made sure to sleep earlier than midnight, for it was the witching hour during this month. Spirits were free to drift, bound to wander for an eternity. Taking all these measures, the girl had eventually got free of the curse. They ought to have gone. I've been free of this nonsense for 5 years, why now? She was furious. I'll ask someone to burn paper offerings. Bye. She told it, hoping her Hokkien could be comprehended. Her command of the dialects was only passable. The child might want her parents to know she was trapped somewhere, needing proper rites done. Usually explaining this would make ghosts relent. But nothing prepared her for what happened next.